Okay guys, what we have here is a home that's not heating properly, and you can look in here, we got ice all on those coils. I'm not sure if you can see, so I'm gonna fix that and put it back in the game. Yeah, they're iced up pretty bad. I might take this thing off so y'all can see, but that's ice in there. All that white stuff's not supposed to be there, so I'm gonna fix that and get it. So this is the ream unit that was iced over yesterday. Ice is all gone now, and we diagnosed the problem. It's gonna need to get a piece replaced. So if we get the piece replaced, I'll show it running and we'll get out of here. Okay, so we got the board out. It actually was just missing a piece of the board, but you know, the ream makes you buy the whole circuit board, so which is probably the right thing to do anyway. So we're gonna replace the whole circuit board, and after that, I'll show y'all it up. I got the old board right here. New one installed. I'm about to crank it up. So we got the new board installed. Got everything hooked up. Just turn the thermostat on. Now we wait. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Man, that's perfect for my video. So yeah, man, we good. That's it.